it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Hello friends, if we look at the market snack stall in the morning, your eyes will surely be down to the traditional cakes neatly wrapped in banana leaves in cone or square shapes. One of the best known for its super chewy texture and deliciously sweet filling is this cake. Yes, this is Bugis cake. Let's find out the history and uniqueness behind this very popular traditional cake. When you hear its name, many people assume this cake originates from the Makassar or Bugis regions of South Sulawesi. However, interestingly, kue Bugis wrapped in banana leaves is actually very closely associated with and popular as a traditional moist cake typical of the Betawi and Javanese people. In some areas of Central Java or Yogyakarta, a similar cake is also known as kue mendut. Despite the difference in name, kue Bugis has always been a must-have dish symbolizing togetherness at various traditional events, from wedding gift to Thanksgiving celebration. Bugis cake has a very distinctive structure, consisting of an outer crust and an inner filling. The crust is made from glutinous rice flour dough mixed with coconut milk. This dough is usually colored naturally green by extracting sushi or pandan leaves, giving it a very fragrant aroma. The secret of Bugis cake's deliciousness lies in the inside, which is filled with coconut pulp. Coconut pulp is grated young coconut cooked with brown sugar or real Javanese sugar uh, until it is absorbed and dried, resulting in a rich, sweet flavor and a slightly crunchy texture. The biggest attraction of Bugis cake is the wrapping and cooking process. After the sticky rice skin dough is filled with coconut flakes and foamed into a ball, the cake is lightly oiled to prevent sticky. Then wrapped in elastic young banana leaves, the neatly wrapped cake is then steamed in a hot steamer. During the steaming process, the juice from the banana leaves evaporate and are absorbed into the sticky rice dough. The end result is a cake with the perfect blend of textures chewy and sticky on the outside, yet perfectly blended with the rice sweetness of the coconut flakes on the inside. Bugis cake is a proof of how simple natural ingredients like sticky rice, coconut, and banana leaves can be transformed into a traditional culinary masterpiece with a timeless taste. So, if you see this cake at a traditional market, don't hesitate to buy it as a form of support for the preservation of Indonesian snack. Thank you for watching this video segment. We hope this information has broadened our culinary horizons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Keep your heartbeat beating, go on, breathing.